never trim the eyebrow like this. Beep, 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 beep. With the pincet, beep, beep, pull. Don't do it. I see so many people doing it. I'm so worried because the more you do it, beep, 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 it's very little, but you are stretching the skin. The skin around the eye is the thinnest area on the face. So if you keep doing like this, beep, 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 all the time, it's gonna really stretch out the skin and start sag. It's like a band. So if you keep doing like dun, 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 all the time, eventually this break it and lose elasticity and just instead I like to use just regular small scissors, then trim like this. Dut, 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 dut. Never pull. That is why I'm not big fan of wax either. Still a little bit pull, right? Even if you do a lot of exercise, lower eyelid, malaris, by the way, and even if you don't use this muscle, so you focus on this muscle, which is correct, that's good. But if you keep doing beep, 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 beep thing, it's never gonna work. Super basic, important eyebrow tutorials. Never pull, never stretch, just shh, shh.